In the second part of the seminar, we're going to look at some compositions that are not Glad reflections. Here we have an example. It says triangle TUV has these vertices. We're going to graph triangle TUV in its image after a translation along -1, 5 and then a rotation of 180 degrees. So I'm going to take point T. I'm going to move to the left 1 and up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's T primed. And then I'm going to do the same thing for U. And I'll do the same thing for V. Now I'm going to take each of my points and I'm going to do a 180 degree rotation around the origin. So point T right now is at 1 and 4. So that means it'll be at -1 and -4. Let me redraw that because that didn't correspond very well. U primed is at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So it's at 4, 3. So it'll be at -4, -3. And V primed right now is at 2, 1. So it'll be at -2 and -1. And then there's our triangle. When we do a reflection over parallel lines, a composition of reflections over parallel lines, well, notice what happens. That turns out to be, that's a translation. And that distance of the translation is going to be twice the distance between our parallel lines. So if the distance between your parallel lines is 3 inches, then you've actually translated the shape 6 inches. And if the lines are not parallel, they intersect, well, then that's a rotation. And that degree of the rotation is going to be twice the measure of the angle between the parallel or between the intersecting lines. Because when you do a reflection over once and then you do it again, you get a rotation.